absolutely in love with your TUSHY bidet. So much so that you can't even bear to leave your bathroom. It's so blissful when the pressure controlled water hits your skin, and you never want this feeling to end until you realize it was all just a dream. And I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. We're in a freaking bathroom stall at work, and that gritty single-ply toilet paper is staring right at me. Somebody please save me from this nightmare. Maybe that was a little heavy on the melodrama. But once you've been spoiled by your TUSHY bidet, using toilet paper again feels like a betrayal. So what do you do when you're out and about and your TUSHY is back at home waiting for you and you're stuck in some public restroom with the bathroom blues? Well, thank your lucky stars, because we have an amazingly innovative, easy to use portable bidet called the TUSHY Travel that will make you never dread leaving the house again. At least not after you've eaten a few too many beans. Welcome back, everybooty. I'm Lauren, your TUSHY enthusiast and better booty advocate. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on gut, butt, and poop health, and hit the bell so that you get notified every time we post new videos. Today, we're gonna learn all about the benefits of travel bidets and why you should totally be using one. A bidet, if you didn't know, is an awesome invention that showers your nether regions with pressure-controlled water to give you a good, thorough clean after you poop. Everyone who's used a TUSHY bidet before knows from personal experience that it gets you cleaner than toilet paper. After all, if you stepped in dog poop, you would wash it off with water instead of just wiping it, right? I hope so. Bidets have been adopted into public bathrooms throughout the world, but most Western countries haven't gotten behind it yet. A portable bidet solves that problem since it can be brought with you anywhere you go. Now at TUSHY, we've been making bidet attachments for your toilet for years and have now created a cute, convenient, and discreet portable bidet called the TUSHY Travel. Fuchsia, teal, which is my favorite, and black. So if you want something a little more discreet or a little more sassy, it's totally up to you. Having a bidet on the go is literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can either fill it up beforehand or find a clean water source when you're on the go. That means you're completely in control of the water temperature you wash your booty with. So you can have a warm, caressing stream or an ice cold spritz, depending on what you prefer. After you've done your business, just turn the portable bidet upside down like this, adjust the water nozzle angle to your liking, and squeeze. Easy as pie, or easy as buttering bread, because let's be honest, pie is kind of hard to make. Now, if you're wondering how to use a portable bidet, check out our video tutorial linked in the description. Ever since the great TP shortage of 2020, when the pandemic first hit, hundreds of thousands of people have made the switch to bidets. At TUSHY, we're making some real waves and splashes and streams for your butt. So now that you're all jazzed up about portable bidets, let's talk about 5 benefits the TUSHY Travel has and how it's gonna change your life. One of the top benefits of a portable bidet is that you'll never have to touch the one-ply toilet paper in public restrooms again. Since you're probably not gonna see a bidet in your local porta potty anytime soon, a travel bidet is the perfect number 2 option. TUSHY Travel gives you an amazingly clean butt when you're washing up, the same way you're used to with your bidet at home. TP just smears poop around instead of actually washing it away. And as we learned in our videos about hemorrhoids and butt health, which are linked in the description, using TP can aggravate our buttholes even more. It can actually cause bleeding, irritation, and worsen hemorrhoids and anal fissures. It's even worse in public restrooms because the toilet paper in them tends to be extremely rough and low quality. Bringing your portable bidet with you will keep you comfortable and safe from any potential butt health hazards, like being on a hot date and realizing you need a clean booty before y'all go back to your place. Not only is the TUSHY Travel awesome for your health and convenience, but another benefit is that it has an amazing environmental impact. Did you know that 15% of deforestation is directly caused by toilet paper manufacturing? Ew. You can learn even more about this crisis and other environmental impacts of of TP in our video, The Dirty Truth About Toilet Paper, which will be linked in the description below. But what about when TP skips the middleman of modern plumbing and goes directly back into the earth? Let's say you're out for a trek and you have to answer the call of nature. There aren't generally public bathrooms in the wild, so you gotta do what you gotta do. But what do you do with your used ball of toilet paper afterwards? Well, you can pack it into a plastic bag and take it with you, but that sucks to carry around, and the plastic creates more waste. If you're in a park that allows the burying of toilet paper, it'll decompose into the earth eventually. But it can take up to 3 years, and it can still harm animals native to the environment. So with a travel bidet, you won't have any mess to deal with, literally, and can feel good about your environmental footprint. Tushy is saving the planet one backpacking trip at a time. And not to mention, the Tushy travel comes with a carabiner to easily attach to your backpack and hiking supplies. Or if you prefer, you can put it back into its discreet carrying sleeve and keep it zipped away. And as another zero waste bonus, Tushy offers reusable bamboo towels to quickly pat dry. And bamboo is safe for you, sustainable for the planet, and oh so soft on your skin. Another awesome benefit of a portable bidet is spending less time overall in public restrooms. Ever had an angry person knocking on your bathroom stall every 2 seconds until you finally come out? Rude. Pounding on the door isn't going to magically stop me from being constipated. Thank you very much. But what about when you're just trying to get out of there? You can't seem to wipe all the poop off. Yeah, when your butthole becomes like a crayon where you wipe and wipe and wipe and it never seems to end. But that's never a problem when you wash with a bidet. You can get clean and fresh super fast so you can be back out and enjoying your day in no time. No more cranky people waiting for you to finish wiping. Comment below your most nightmarish public restroom story. I'm sure you have one. Even worse than having someone waiting for you to get out of the bathroom is the moment your stomach drops as you realize you picked a bathroom stall with no toilet paper in it. Which leads me to my next major advantage. When there's no TP in the stall, you won't be shit out of luck. Absolutely nothing is worse than having to ask the stranger next to you to pass you some TP, or waiting until everybody leaves so you can waddle over to the next stall with your pants half down, praying that no one walks in. And let's not even talk about the hand wipe of shame. If you've ever found yourself in a situation like this, it's probably a good idea to start carrying around Tushy travel. Hey, maybe if your stall neighbor asks you for toilet paper, you can hand them your bidet instead. Just make sure you get it back, because they'll probably want to keep it. The fifth benefit is how the Tushy travel is totally discreet and collapsible. So if you're still a bit hesitant about carrying around a literal butt washing device in public, there's no need to panic. You might be worried about bulkiness and space, or about people noticing you're flaunting something that says, "Hey, I just took a dump." Other brands feature obvious spray nozzles that stick out like a sore thumb, or a sore butt if you're using toilet paper. And they even have the product's purpose blatantly printed on them. There's absolutely no concealing that. But with Tushy, you get to carry around a bidet that looks exactly like a mini collapsible water bottle. The nozzle is short and it looks like a little straw. And hey, I guess you could use it as one if you find yourself really thirsty. The sixth and final benefit is that most other portable bidet brands require batteries. And batteries, of course, need to be charged. Since Tushy is squeeze operated, there's no "oh crap" moment when you're in a stall and you realize you forgot to replace the batteries like 6 months ago. Those kinds of portable bidets can also be loud, so everyone in the public bathroom will wonder,
what the heck you're doing?
That's not an issue with Tushy, since the squeeze is smooth and quiet, just like the ideal number 2. But don't just take my word for it. Head over to hellotushy.com/vlog to check it out for yourself, where you can also find all of our other amazing bidets and bathroom products. I hope you're excited to get your very own Tushy travel. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the poop scoop. I also wanted to invite you to join our Facebook group called The Tushy Movement, where we discuss taboo tea topics like gut, butt, and poop health. The join link is listed in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and happy pooping.